Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you my latest setup, which is of the gorgeous B6 TN cover that came in the April Natural Beauty box from Simply Gilded. And I have used the acetate and the vellum that came in the kit, and I also used the washi pen, etc. But I also used a couple of other papers and stickers, and of course I will share all the information for you below in case you want to replicate the look. First of all, the travel notebook is stunning, and it's made of vegan leather. It's super soft, and it has this very creamy white background with beautiful soft pink flowers with nice sage green leaves. It has a hard closure in silver, and then it has this gorgeous scalloped edge, and as you can tell here, it's got the elastics, and then here at the bottom it has a little clip where you can attach, if you want to put a little charm, or if you even want to try and create a chain. I guess if you're very crafty, you could add another little link there and turn this into a little, purse if you like. But I have set it up for a planner because this is going to be my planner for the month of May. So let's open it up and then see inside. And here it is, and as you can tell, the inside is this gorgeous blue. Now my nails are more of a robin's egg. I don't know how they'll come up under the lights, but this is a gorgeous soft blue, and there is a large pocket here and a smaller pocket. In the large pocket I have put this beautiful little house, kind of a not a dashboard, but it's a laminated little page marker that came in a Planner Society kit. I have a little paper clip, which is this little flower, and then I have two paper clips from the Planner Society. One says Plan and one says TPS Girl, and they totally matched the color of the scheme, so of course I had to use them. And then I have a little washi card from Simply Gilded, and I have used all the gorgeous washi from the box, which has this beautiful nude colors with soft pink and then the robin's egg color. Now in the back here, I kind of wanted to bring in the theme of the box, which is a mix of leopard and then these beautiful little birds. And so I had this little bird from I think it was, I can't remember actually, it will come to me, but I think it's from crepe paper, and I just put it on a little card just to bring in the green a little bit there. And then I have some stickers from the Planner Society, and then these cute tabs that I use in a lot of my setups, and these were from Michael's. Then a cute little Heidi Swap little paper clip that I had since forever, and then I put this other little heart, always from and it's the name is escaping me. It's Maggie Holmes, I think, but otherwise I will put it down there. But it says I love you, so I just love it. I think it's very soft, it's very sweet. It's perfect for the month of May. We're not in summer yet, the weather is getting warmer, but it's not too hot. Now the first acetate here is actually from the Planner Society. I had tried to start it with just the vellum from the kit, but I wanted to kind of protect the vellum because it's a little softer, and so I found this acetate from my stash from the Planner Society. It has these little tiny dots that are the perfect color, so it fits perfectly. And then I have this little bow, like initial kind of die cut, that I use that paper, that clear paper that has a little bit of iridescent color. It's a sticker that you can get at Hobby Lobby, and I put it on top just to make it a little shiny. I don't know if you can tell. So this is from Fox and Pip. And then my again, this first dashboard is the vellum from the kit, which is gorgeous, this beautiful soft leopard print. I added my favorite glitter edgers from the Planner Society. Then I have this bow that came in a previous box. I just removed it from I think it was a lobster. I think it was a charm. So I removed everything that was attached with it. And then I put this two little, this have really no function, but I wanted to add something in the middle. It was a little naked, just sitting there in the middle of the page. It needed some help. So I just put these two little stickers from the same collection that I will share below, and I think it looks super cute. Now here is the first real dashboard. So as always, I have 3 sections, and my first section, the paper is from another Planner Society kit. I wanted something to bring in that soft pink, but I also wanted something that will go with the gorgeous card that came in the kit. It's this beautiful leopard with the bow on its back, and so I just like to bring in the pink and the robin's egg, and I have layered it on. Both papers are from actually Hobby Lobby. One is a little kind of like a metallic with little hearts, and this one is glitter, white glitter, iridescent. And then I have the edgers are also from the Planner Society, and these were little stickers that I just attached to the side, and the bows are also from Hobby Lobby. And I just think it's super sweet. I think it looked really good with this, matching kind of like this pink, and it then transitions into more the color scheme of the box. Now this is how the color of the paper looks on the other side. I would normally just clip it, and these are my inserts that I still need to decorate because this starts on the 3rd, and these are the inserts from Annieplansprintables, and my favorite my favorite layout. I always say it's daily with timed and dated, and I just love it. This is the layout that works for me best. And this is just in Annie has them in 6 months increment. So I think it was from December or January to June, and then there's a July to December, so you can get all the months in one listing. And then here in the back, I put another little sticker pocket from the Planner Society, the bow from Hobby Lobby, and the stickers, some stickers that came in the kit from the Simply Gilded box. And then these are just little stickers that I had from, I think they're from Simply Watercolor Co. And then the back here, I just kept it simple, and I used this little Inspire sticker, which came from one of those kits that you can find at Hobby Lobby, where they have just like a couple of pages, and then they have little stickers. So this is a kit that I had for a while, and I love this, how this soft kind of nude pink matched. And then here's the back of the acetate from the Planner Society with a little green dot, and then this is the initial from Michael's. Then I have a little doily from Michael, and then here is the gorgeous washi from the box. How stunning is this? I used most of the washi with a bow also from the box, and it's just beautiful. I love this color palette. And then after, following the washi, is one of, the acetate that came in the box. So it's this clear acetate with these beautiful little birdies flying around. And this is another bow also from the box. And I just put it on 3D kind of little dots there because I wanted to just pop up from the page. More glitter edgers from the Planner Society. And this is the TN insert, which is a B6. I don't know if I mentioned that this size is a B6 size. Sorry guys if I haven't mentioned it. But how gorgeous is this color with the beautiful birdie in the middle. And I just didn't want to do anything to it. So that's why I kind of layered it. Normally I have more journaling cards to match, but I didn't really find anything that could go well with the colors. I think they're so unique, and so I prefer to keep things simple. And this is just a plain insert. And then in the back here, I used another one of those stickers from the Hobby Lobby kit. It says memories, glitter edgers, the back of the washi dashboard, a different bow, the one with this beautiful leopard print, and then another doily, always from Michael. And then here's the last one, which is, I wanted to use this other insert, which I think was from the Paris box, but the vellum is from the April box, another bow from the vellum from the April box, glitter edges from the Planner Society, and here it is, and this is lined, so it has a different function. And then in the back I put the vellum sticky notes that came in the April box, and I think it's just a very soft, very simple, very soothing kind of setup. The word grateful. And then here I have found in my stash an older little pocket, pouch that came in a previous box, and the color just was perfect. And so all I did is just slid it on the elastic, just like that. And then, you're all set, and you actually have 2 hooks, so you can have 2, charms if you want. And then here, of course, there's room for your pen. This is the beautiful pen that came in the box. And there it is, guys. So this is gonna be my setup for the month of May. Again, it was super quick, and you know, we are all very busy, so it's when I can manage to do something a little quicker. Oh, what did I do? I'm doing something wrong, then it won't close now. But again, if I can make a, you know, a little simpler setup, I'm all for it. But here it is. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Instagram at PlanningFancy. I reply to all DMs, and I hope you will love it, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And I'll see you next week. Bye bye.